Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 1st December 2024. Title of Murli. Become powerful by remaining aware of your Brahman birth and make everyone powerful. Bap Dada said, there is unbroken power of love in each child. The love of the children absorbs Bap Dada into the ocean of love. And the power of love is becoming a blessing for each child and is taking them forward as well. Further, Baba said, do you know how big is the rosary of memories that the Father has given you in this Brahman birth from the beginning until now? Remember the rosary of those memories. If you remember even one memory repeatedly when you become a karma yogi, then this memory can make you an embodiment of power. So, O powerful souls, now make other souls powerful with your power. Give a handful of water to the wandering, thirsty and restless souls. They too are your brothers and sisters, so you should have mercy, should you not? Keep this same, now, to give a handful of messages to as many souls as possible, whether through the mind, or through words, or through relationships and connections, by any method. You definitely have to give everyone's complaints. Finally, Baba said, whatever task you perform, let it remain in your intellect that you are a powerful soul who is the one who does all this. Who am I? This first lesson has to be practiced again and again. Don't just think that I am a soul, but rather experience that I, the soul, am doing the deeds and this body, the doer, is different from me. If you have to settle the accounts of any deeds, do it as a witness. Blessing for today. May you become an easy effort maker by having all relationships with the One Father as your companion. Details are: the Father himself is offering to fulfill his responsibility of companionship in all relationships. Stay with the Father in each relationship according to the time and make him your companion. When you have his constant company, and he is your companion, there cannot be anything difficult. When you feel lonely, don't remember the Father in the form of a point, but bring the list of your attainments in front of you. Bring into your awareness the stories of the different, entertaining experiences of different times, and experience the sweetness of all relationships. Any hard work will then finish and you will become an easy effort maker. And slogan is, become one with many forms and recognize the many forms of Maya, and you will become a master lord of Maya. Om Shanti.